Good morning, class 1. Open your science book, Inspiring Science 1. Open page number 1, chapter number 1, Living and Non Living Things. So, in this chapter, we will discuss the detail about living and non living things. So, firstly, we will discuss what are the living and non living things. So, living things are those that can eat, feel, reproduce, and grow, while non living things are those that cannot eat, feel, or reproduce. So, let's discuss some detail about living and non living things. We see many things around us that are both living and non living things. So, have you ever noticed what are the living things? So, all people, animals, and plants are the living things. Let me show you how. So, living things are those who can eat food. Living things can grow as the baby grows into a adult. Living thing can move from one place to another. Living things can breathe. Living things can reproduce. Reproduction means having young ones, like this dog has a puppy. And living things can feel. Plants are also the living thing. A small plant is born from a seed, as you can see this, and then grows up to become a big plant. Firstly, it is converted into seedling, and then the seedling converted into adult plant in the presence of sunlight and water. So sunlight and water provides the food in the form of photosynthesis to the plant. So it helps the plant to grow into an adult plant. So now the question arises, do the plants move from one place to another? No, plants do not move from one place to another, but it moves its paths just like a sunflower. The sunflower turns in its face towards the sun. Now, how we can say that plants can feel? Have you ever the touch me not plant? Whenever we touch the touch me not plant, its leaves droop. It means that touch me not plant feel the touch and droop its leaf. Now let us discuss about the non-living things. So non-living things are those that cannot eat, breathe or feel. So there are two types of non-living things: natural things and man-made things. So these mountains and clouds, moon and stars, and water and stone, etc., are some of the natural things that are non living, as they cannot eat, breathe, feel, grow, or have babies. So, these natural non living things are found in nature and are not made by man. So, these are known as natural non living things. While table, chair, book, toy train, etc., all these stuff that are made by man are the man made non living things. Even your pencil is a non living thing. So, students, you get it now? People, plants, and animals are living things. Living things eat food. Living things grow, move, and breathe. Living things feel and can have young ones, while non living things are natural or man made things and cannot do any sort of thing that a living thing can do. Now we will do the back exercise of this chapter. So let's get started. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Number 1. Dash are the living things. Animals or stones. These are two options. So it is very clear. We have already discussed that animals are the living things because it can feel, it can eat, it can reproduce, it can grow, and it can move from one place to another. While stones are the natural non living things, as it cannot eat, breathe, feel, or reproduce. So, here we will write it as animals are the living things. Number 2, living things eat dash, stones or food. So, it is very clear that living things eat food. Here we have already discussed that living things require food for their upbringing or growth. So we can write it as 2. living things eat food. Number 3, plants dash move on their own, cannot move or can move. So now you people tell me, have you ever noticed a plant who can move from one place to another? Here we have already discussed that plants cannot move from one place to another, but it can move its parts. So it is very clear that plants cannot move on their own. So we can write it as cannot. Number 4, a dash is a natural non-living thing, a star or a car. So, students, we have already discussed about it. Now you people tell me, a star is a non-living thing, natural one or man-made one? So as we have already discussed that moon and the stars are the natural non-living things because these stars and moons cannot be made by a man. So here we can write it as a star is a natural non-living thing because star is a man-made thing. Number 5, water and moon are dash things, man-made things or natural things. So water and moon cannot be made by a man. So it's a natural non-living thing. So here we can write it as water and moon are natural things. Number 6, a dash is a man-made thing, mountain or a bus. So it is very clear that mountains cannot be made by man. It is very huge. So bus can easily made by man. So a bus is a man-made thing. So we can write it as a bus is a man-made thing. B, state whether the following sentences are true or false. So there are a couple of statements here and we have to mention either it is true or false. So number 1, a plant is a living thing. Obviously, plant, animals and peoples are the living things. They can eat, breathe, feel, reproduce, grow and move from one place to another. So here we can write it as T, means true. Number 2, a lion is a living thing. Obviously, it's obvious. Lion is an animal is a living thing. We have already discussed that everything that eat, breathe, feel, reproduce and move from one place to another is a living thing. So here we can write it as T. T means true. 3, a fish does not need food. It's false. Have you ever noticed? A fish is a living thing and it has its own type of food. So every living things require food for their growth. So it's false. So here we can write it as F. F means false. Next is number 4. A cat cannot move from one place to another. It's very simple. Now you people tell me, have you ever noticed a cat? They move or not? Obviously they move from one place to another because they are the living things and living things move from one place to another. So here we will write it as F. F stand for false. Number 5, a stone can breathe. It's false because stone is a natural non-living thing because it cannot eat, breathe, feel, move, grow or have babies. So we can write here F. F means false. Number 6, your pet dog can feel. So it's true because dog is an animal and animal is a living thing and living thing can feel. So here we can write it as true. T. Number 7, a river is made by man. False. A river is a natural non-living thing. We human beings cannot make the river. So we will write here F and it means false. Number 8, a house is a man-made thing. So it's true. House can be made by a man. So here we can write it as T and T means true. Now we will do the question answers of this chapter. So let's get started. D. Answer these questions in short. Question number 1. What will happen to the living things if there is no air? So, here we have already discussed that living things require air for breathing purpose. So, if there is no air, the living things cannot breathe, and if they cannot breathe, they cannot survive, they will die. So, air is very, very important for the living things. In the answer, we can write it as living things cannot breathe without air. Question number 2. What do you feel when a mosquito bites you? Now tell me, what happens when a mosquito bites you? It's very obvious. We feel pain. So we can write it as whenever a mosquito bites you, we feel pain. Question number 3. A car moves on the road, but why is it not a living thing? It's very interesting. A car can move, but why it is not a living thing? Because a car cannot eat, breathe, feel, grow, or have babies. So that's why a car is not a living thing. Question number 4. Are clouds in the sky a man-made thing? Obviously not. We human beings cannot make the clouds. Clouds are basically the natural non-living things. So here in the answer we can write it as no, clouds are natural things. Question number 5. What type of things are table and chairs in your classroom? So have you ever noticed the table and chair in the classroom? Do they eat? No. Do they breathe? No. Do they feel? Never. Do they grow? No. And they don't have even babies. So they are non-living things. So the tables and the chairs in your classrooms are the non-living things. So now I will go through all the question answers. Question number 1. What will happen to the living things if there is no air? Living things cannot breathe without the air. Question number 2. What do you feel when a mosquito bites you? We feel pain. Question number 3. A car moves on the road, but why is it not a living thing? A car cannot breathe, eat, or grow. Question number 4. Are clouds in the sky a man-made thing? No, clouds are the natural things. Question number 5. What type of things are the table and chairs in your classrooms? So these are the non-living things. So students, hope so you have better understand all this chapter.